हमारे युग में शिक्षा बहुत ज़रूरत है, लेकिन ऑडियो विजुअल शिक्षा उससे बढ़कर है। तो जहां लोग नौजवानों को फिल्म बनाने की शिक्षा देते हैं, वो सबसे बड़ी भेंट होती है, क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में सब कुछ ऑडियो विजुअल हो रहा है और इनका पूरा दिमाग, इनकी सोच, इनकी काबिलियत सब बढ़ जाएगी ऐसी फिल्में बनाने से। तो मैं बहुत खुशी हो रही है और मैं सबको बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, खास करके फाउंडेशन को, जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा काम किया है और इतने अच्छे मकसद के साथ इन बच्चों को इकट्ठा करके कमाल की फिल्में बनाई हैं। माय कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू एवरीबॉडी, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। देखिए, हर एक की अपनी काबिलियत होती है। हो सकता है कि एक छोटा बच्चा कमाल की पिक्चर बना दे जो मतलब एक प्रोफेशनल को दंग कर जाए, पर मेन चीज़ ये है कि उन्होंने एक शिक्षा पाई है। कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप किसी को एक मच्छी देते हैं तो दिन के लिए खिलाते हैं, मच्छी पकड़ना सिखाते हैं तो ज़िंदगी भर के लिए खिलाते हैं। तो ये ज़िंदगी भर खिलाने की बात हुई कि इनकी जो काबिलियत है ज़िंदगी भर के लिए बढ़ती है। It's happening. Let's celebrate what is happening. Instead of lamenting कि क्या नहीं हो रहा है, वो सेलिब्रेट करें जो हो रहा है। जी? दोनों। Because कमर्शियल के बगैर इंडस्ट्री नहीं चल सकती और आर्ट फिल्म के बगैर अच्छी पिक्चर नहीं बन सकती, तो दोनों की अपनी जगह है।
And I think it's actually very lovely how the children, they may be homeless children, they may be street children, but they've been given an opportunity to express their creativity. They are the storytellers, and I think it's going to be really lovely to see what stories they have to tell. So I am really looking forward to seeing what the kids have to say. And it's very important they have a platform and a voice to express themselves.
Right.
And that's lovely. We've sown a seed. So if we nurture the younger generation, they're going to be the future filmmakers. So I think that's wonderful.
टेलीविजन पे शायद बाद में, लेकिन अभी मोहनजोदारो आ रही है ऋतिक रोशन के साथ।
To see them.
Hi.
How does it feel to be a part of such an event?
I think it's a wonderful thing because very rarely do you see that children or even people with unfortunately lesser opportunities get to make a film and show the film. So I think it's a wonderful initiative that is being done, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the films, and I'm sure they've done a wonderful job.
Uttar Punjab, there's a lot of censor.
Here we are talking about these children who made a film. You brought in this.
At the same time, the censor board is somewhere blocking this freedom of speech and expression. So what do you feel about it?
I think now the High Court ruling has come, so it's a very good ruling.
Okay.
And justice always prevails in our country.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How does it feel to be part of such an event?
Difficult to describe. You can't explain. जो बच्चे हैं, I mean, we are all a part of God's creation. लेकिन कुछ बच्चों को जो है माता पिता का सुख मिलता है, कुछ जो है बड़े बहुत ही प्रिविलेज होते हैं, अमीर घर में पैदा होते हैं। लेकिन ऐसे बच्चे, और एक बुक लिखी गई थी, गॉड्स ओन चाइल्ड, ये जो है उन्हीं बच्चों के पीछे ये कहानी है। और नमिता और कपिल मट्टू, इन लोगों का जो एंडेवर है ऐसे बच्चों के बीच में जाकर, और जो हमारा सिनेमा है उसको एक टाइम फ्रेम, ऐसे टाइम फ्रेम में जहाँ पे समय बहुत कम है, 15-20 दिन में आपको उनको कैमरा, राइटिंग, स्क्रीन प्ले, डायलॉग, डायरेक्शन, लाइट, ये जितनी भी टेक्निकल या जो नॉलेज है उनको दे के और उनके द्वारा एक स्क्रिप्ट डेवलप करके और एक कहानी, एक स्टोरी बना के और एक फिल्म बना देना। इट शोज़ कि ये बच्चों में उतना ही टैलेंट है जितना कि टैलेंट हर पढ़े लिखे घरानों में बच्चों के साथ है। कि मैंने कहा ना कि मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगा वो कम है। आप कितनी भी तारीफ कर लीजिए, जो लोग जैसे वो लेडी हैं जो इस फाउंडेशन को हेड करती हैं, जो कि कब से उन बच्चों को पढ़ा रही, लिखा रही हैं और शिक्षा दे रही हैं, प्लस उनको उनका मेंटल फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट कर रही हैं। हमारे लिए कहना आसान है, ये बोलना है कि हाँ बड़ा अपलॉडेबल है और बहुत क्रेडिटफुल है, आई फील सो हैप्पी कि ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, बट मैं उनकी दुनिया से बहुत अलग हूँ। मैं एक सिर्फ कलाकार हूँ, तो एक फीलिंग है, एक आई फील सो हैप्पी कि ये एक ऐसा एफर्ट है जो उन बच्चों को वो सपने पे भी नहीं सोच सकते कि उनको ये चीज़ें मिलेंगी। तो क्या है, उनकी ड्रीम फुलफिल हुई और ये टैलेंट होता है, हर एक में होता है, बट ऐसे बच्चों में जो कि अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड हैं, वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, ना ही वात्सल फाउंडेशन उसको अफोर्ड कर सकता है। तो ये बेसिकली इसको हम बोलते हैं टीम वर्क। नमिता, कपिल मट्टू की अपनी जो टीम है और वात्सल फाउंडेशन के बच्चों की टीम ने मिल के ये एक एफर्ट किया है। तो लेट्स होप सो कि अच्छा निकले और मुझे विश्वास है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है इट विल लीव अ डीप इम्पैक्ट ऑन द ऑडियंस।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
In fact, my company is already making a film. It's called School Chalega for Children Film Society, which is actually based on a deaf and dumb boy who comes to Bombay to actually study in a special school. So it is a very, very nice subject, and my company Satish Kaushik Entertainment is co-producing it with Children Film Society. Mukesh Khanna loved the subject. Shravan Kumar, the CEO, they loved the subject, and actually shooting is going on nowadays for that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. हाउसफुल फिल्म्स के लिए
अंदर ले
feel special. Always it's this kind of events. जब आप कोई भी आता है तो एकदम क्या बोलते दिमाग से नहीं दिल से आता है because we get connected with all these short films as well as the kids, the street kids are doing this, so it's extraordinary. It's a noble thing, so definitely anyone would love to be a part of it.
I mean, also we are more connected in the sense we made a film called Houseful 3, and it was specially for kids. And now again I see kids in the film, so it holds a special part. So we are feeling very proud, and I feel all the best for this thing, and everyone should promote and support this kind of thing. Absolutely. 200%. We are Bollywood, we are there, and if there is a start here, there are so many other people, celebrities have come here. They should push this, and it has to be done. If there is talent, yeah.
This should go to a certain level, another level actually has to go. But problem actually दुख की बात ये है कि लोग बोल देते हैं 2 दिन के बाद भूल जाते हैं.
Correct.
And if someone is watching, please I appeal, we both appeal.
ऐसा नहीं कि कैमरा के सामने.
कभी आए हैं एक इवेंट हो गया और 2 दिन के बाद सब भूल गए. So we don't want that to come. We should push it further, and from our side, genuinely from our hearts, we'll definitely try to promote such kind of events.
Absolutely.
वात्सल्य फाउंडेशन के इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में अगर कहा जाए तो बहुत ही कम ही है, पर उसके बारे में फिर भी आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जैसे फरहाद ने बोला, noble cause है one, and when there is talent, you should make it surface. It should be coming there, and I feel hats off to them. बहुत बढ़िया काम किया इन लोगों ने. करना भी चाहिए और बढ़ावा देना चाहिए और सपोर्ट करना चाहिए इसका.
हमारी फिल्म को लेके हम एक कहावत हमेशा बोलते हैं. So I will say that कहावत also for this thing, that हुनर सब में होता है. किसी का छुप जाता है और किसी का छप जाता है. So it's all about timing, luck, किस्मत, and we promoting them. That's more important. Thank you.
No, I mean, see, children can make very good films, and unfortunately, we become adults and then become clever. So, I mean, the child's mind is a curious mind, you know, and they always say that you should, every filmmaker, every director should retain a kind of childlike attitude to life. So, I think it's wonderful, and kids are really, you know, they pick up things quickly, they have a sense of wonder, and I think it's amazing, you know, the kind of children they are, and you know, it just shows that it's just environment, and if you give a kid from the right opportunity, the right, you know, things that he can work with, then, you know, every child is a genius. You know, I mean, every child is a genius. He has some talent or the other. You have to discover what his talent is. So hopefully you'll discover some directors.
How privileged are you to be a part of this?
Very privileged. I think it's really amazing that, you know, you do something with kids, and you will learn so much from kids. It's not just a कि मैं सिखाऊंगा and all that, but you learn certain things from kids. You see a kid's drawing, you know, you learn something. You learn, and he's not caught by. A child lives also in his imagination. He just doesn't live in the actual reality, which is how all creative people should also be. You have to work with your imagination, with the sense of wonderment. You have to interpret a world. So the child's interpretation of a world is unique, and I am privileged to be here. Thank you so much.
17 June के लिए आप कितने excited हो? Because now the doors is open for Urta Punjab.
I hope all goes well, and I hope Urta Punjab is released the way it is. And our views on this is very clear. Our views on censorship are very clear. We've all stood behind Urta Punjab, and we still are.
You think that censor board is somewhere blocking freedom of speech and expression a lot?
I mean, always you will come up against, you know, it's not new. Let us say that for the past, when I made Hazaro Khwaishein, there was a kind of problem. When I made Dharavi, there was a kind of problem. So the problem occurs now as well, and I think this one individual or a set of individuals cannot determine the morality of the country. The audience has a mature view, and cinema is a voluntary act. You buy a ticket, you go in, you don't want to see it, you walk out. I mean, everybody is entitled to their views. So if television, if the media, the press, everybody has allowed a point of view, then why not the filmmaker? So, I mean, that's as simple as that. We are not saying don't criticize the film. See it, criticize it, but don't stop its viewing. Don't stop its release.
Sir, do you think that Balaji and Milani should be replaced for the betterment of
I don't care. I don't work with individuals. I never talk about individuals. We are only saying that there is a certification board. It should only certify and work within the constitution and the set parameters. And I hope the Shyam Benegal committee report is implemented very soon, because Shyam Babu is the most respected, ideally placed, knowledgeable filmmaker we have in the country. And I think it's a great idea that the government made him the head of a committee which will relook at censorship or certification in the time of the internet in the modern times. This is a very old set of rules you work with. Times have totally changed, and I hope that report is and I think it will be implemented very soon. So I'm hopeful.
Thank you so much.
So sir, finally cinema has become so easy, and so that street children has been directing a film, making a film. What's your take on it?
I think the digital technology is a revolution that is happening in the field of communication, in the field of art, in the field of cinema. It's a new leap forward, and it makes it so easy for even children, as we said, to make films now because of the technology that is available. And I think that is completely going to change the way we look at the world and the way we look at cinema.
For you, which is more important, as in a commercially successful or critically upheld?
I think the boundaries are collapsing. I think both are necessary. Every filmmaker wants to reach out to as many people as he or she can, and also likes to be appreciated.
How do you feel to be a part of this event?
I feel wonderful. I feel very elated, and I feel very hopeful.
Do you think more people should come up to support this kind of movement?
Most certainly. I mean, I think this is just a beginning, and I'm sure this will grow into a wonderful movement. I think everyone has to have this kind of a social consciousness and a desire to do something for the society at large.
Also, there is a news you are making a film based on by taking a Sora Bhaskar.
No. I'm doing a film on the Rani of Jhansi with Kangana.
Thank you so much. Start. How privileged are you to be a part of this event?
Very privileged, and it brings back a lot of memories because I kind of got associated with Vatsalya almost 20 years ago. And we had done a song that we performed live at somewhere in South Bombay, I think Birla Matashri, one of these places. That was meant as a fundraiser for the children then. And the song stuck on, and after all these years, with this documentary being made and Namita, associating herself with Vatsalya, and they decided to make a song out of the song, record it. And so we recorded it after all these years. So it's wonderful going back that memory lane, and always wonderful to be a part of anything that has a heart to it. Yeah. मैं अपना पर्सनल फीडबैक तब दे पाऊंगा जब मैं खुद देख पाऊँ फिल्म। फिलहाल मैं फिल्म नहीं देखा, लेकिन जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया है, और जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट इतने छोटे बच्चे जो इतने हार्डशिप से, इतने मुश्किलों से गुजरते हुए वो एक जिंदा दिली रखे हैं कि वो खुद मिलकर एक फिल्म बनाए हैं, इससे बड़ी बात और क्या हो सकती है। और आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं जो वात्सल्य की जो कट्टा सत्ता है, जिस तरह से उन्होंने इतने प्यार से, इतनी अपनी श्रम मेहनत से इन बच्चों को हमेशा मुस्कुराना सिखाया है, ये उनको भी बहुत क्रेडिट देना चाहिए कि इन बच्चों को सही पथ पर तो लाया है, साथ साथ उनको आगे बढ़कर आसमां छूने की भी वो क्षमता उन्होंने लाई है उनके मन में। नहीं, एक सिंगल आ रहा है बहुत जल्द, कॉल्ड सिंगल एल्बम टी सीरीज़ के साथ, तुम हो तो लगता है ऐसे, लेकिन उससे पहले अपना एक सिंगल आया है इसी डॉक्यूमेंट्री में। तो ये गाना मैंने गाया था जब मैं 19 साल का था। हाँ, तो 20 साल से भी ज़्यादा, आई थिंक 24 साल हो गए।
You sang at that age, this
maybe not 19, I was very young. It was one of, before I even got into any real work. I was just a singer. Manohar Iyer had written the song and you know, so we were friends. तो उस वक्त उनके लिए मैंने ये गाना किया था।
So you re-recorded it?
Yeah. That time it was just done.
How was it?
It was wonderful. I completely forgot about it. You know, you do things and then you don't. उसके बाद वो होता है, इतने साल गुजर जाते हैं, तो अचानक से जब नमिता वो गाने को लेकर आई, बोला ये गाना मैंने कहीं गाया, ऐसा सुना लग रहा है। ये गाना तुम्हारी आवाज़ है, तो तभी वो लाइव रिकॉर्ड हुई थी। अभी इसको हम लोग ने नया ट्रैक बनाया है, तो इस पर तुमको गाना है फिर से। हम ना किसी की भूल है, ना रास्ते की धूल है, हम तो बहारों की शाख से टूटे हुए कुछ फूल हैं।
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.